Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, and now we're going to be doing trick question number 3. Let's go to a transportation question. Alright, so here's the trick question. Sir, can you tell me when was the last time that you were out of the state? Ooh. Sir, when was the last time you were out of the county? Ma'am, are you able to drive a vehicle to your physician? How far away is your physician from where you live? Ma'am, you stated to me that you can only sit before having to stand up or lay back down for a total of 20 minutes, and it would appear that based upon the travel distance required from your house to your physician, that would be about 45 minutes. Is that correct? Yes. And did you also state, correct me if I'm wrong, that during that period you would not traditionally need to go ahead and stand up and or get out of the car and stretch your legs? Is that correct? Yes. Well, then it would appear that you're a liar, and that would suck. Okay, so let's go through this. How long can you sit? Do the bumps in a car ride cause you problems? Think about it. Once again, I have a terrible chair. It makes all these noises, so just get over it. Bought it on Craigslist. Alright, let's get back to the thing. Transportation. County, state. When it comes to the county question, you can wiggle out of that one. Walk me through, when was the last time you were out of the county? Oh, 2 weeks ago. Oh, okay. Well, how long is it of a drive to get to the county line? It's about 6 minutes. Oh, good. Because you live right next to the county line. It's very close. You might have to travel out of the county to go to your doctor. There you go. The state question. When was the last time you were out of the state? Oh. Most of you guys don't live within 10 minutes of the border. Most of you guys don't live within 20 minutes of the border. Most of you guys live 45 minutes plus from the border. So here's the problem. Well, Your Honor, I can only sit for about 20 to 25 minutes before I have to stand up or lay down due to the pain. Well, then what were you doing out of the county? And when you were traveling out of the county, what were you traveling for? Did you have to take breaks? Were you visiting family? Was it a holiday season? Were you flying? Were you driving? What were you doing? Yada, yada, yada. Now, one time I heard a guy say, oh, I was in an RV. I stood up multiple times throughout the thing. Brilliant. We're out of the issue. Cool. Great. Okay, good. Most of you guys can't use that, though. Car question, right? And then here's another part of the transportation trick question. What kind of vehicle do you get in and out of? If it's a small one, like a car, a low to the ground one, you got back problems or knee problems or hip problems or spine problems or whatever, and guess what? That's going to hurt you. Because if you can get in and out of a little car without much difficulty, then hey, you could do a driving job, right? But if it's a van or it's a truck or an SUV that's high off the ground, it's much easier to get in with those kinds of problems. This is the trick transportation question. It's all about a residual functional capacity analysis for your capacity to be able to sit for an extended period. That's the whole thing there, the entire thing there. All right. So I just wanted to point that out to you so you had a better understanding why the transportation question could be so tricky. Now look, I'm not going to go into like the one that's the oldest trick question in the book because everybody's heard it. Okay, everybody knows. You know what? I'll just go into it. How did you get to the Herndada? How'd you get to the Herndada? Right now. Right over there. Right over there. How'd you do it? Right? Well, I used my bicycle. Ooh. Well, I drove here. Ooh. I took the bus here. Oh. Well, my buddy drove me here. Oh, okay. something to consider, you know. Bicycle. So you're able to do the motor functions with your lower body of pedaling. You can keep balance. Your arms have the strength to hold your upper body up. You can handle the bumps of all the roads to get here. You drove, so you're paying for insurance. You have the capacity to have a license. You've got good eyesight. You have not only motor function features of your arms, but also your legs. You can sit for an extended period, and let's not forget, you can follow instructions to get here. You took the bus. How long were you on the bus? How many stops did you have to take to get here? Switch lines, all that jazz. Oh, so you can follow instructions well, go into unknown territories, handle being around other people for an extended period in a small area. Take instruction from the bus driver. Oh. Okay. So that's the classic question. I threw it in there because, you know, some of the older judges still ask that question. Everybody else knows that question. If you're sitting there going like, I don't know that question, then I'm very scared for you, and I love you dearly, but I'm scared for you. Either way, we now need to go on to question number 4 of the top 15 ALJ trick questions. I hope you're doing amazingly well. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Oh, also, want the most up-to-date information? I hate this chair. Custom video about a particular topic, or you have a question about a particular thing that you want to know about, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, or shoot me a text. Any one of those will do. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.